Decoding vocabulary. Comparison and contrast clues in context. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another exciting episode of Decoding Vocabulary. Today, we're going to dive deep into a key strategy to enhance your understanding of advanced vocabulary, using comparison and contrast clues in context. Remember, context clues can be your best friend when you encounter a difficult word, and learning how to find and interpret these clues is an invaluable skill in your English language journey. When we talk about comparison and contrast clues, we're referring to how the context around a word can hint at its meaning by comparing it to something similar, or contrasting it with something different. In comparison clues, the unfamiliar word might be likened or equated to a familiar term. On the other hand, contrast clues typically use words like but, however, or on the other hand, to signal that the unknown word is opposite to a known one. Let's look at an example of how comparison clues work. Consider this sentence. Her canine companion, similar to a faithful friend, was always by her side. In this sentence, canine companion is likened to a faithful friend. So you can deduce that a canine companion is some kind of dependable, friendly entity, which in this case is a dog. Similar to here serves as the comparison clue, linking the unknown term to something familiar. Now let's switch to contrast clues. Consider this sentence. Unlike her boisterous brother, Carla was diffident and preferred to stay in the background. The key phrase here is unlike, which tells us there is a contrast happening. Boisterous is contrasted with diffident, so we can infer that diffident means someone who is not loud or assertive, instead, a more shy or reserved person, just like Carla. Practicing is the key to mastering the art of finding and using context clues. Try reading a variety of texts, books, news articles, or even dialogues from your favorite TV shows, and try to identify the comparison and contrast clues. This practice will make you more comfortable with the concept and improve your overall reading comprehension and vocabulary skills. And that's a wrap on comparison and contrast clues. Remember, being a language detective and using context clues like these is an integral part of expanding your vocabulary and understanding. I hope you found this video useful, and I can't wait to hear about your adventures in English language learning. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning,